Exercise 11.3, Question 1. Make up as many expressions with numbers, no variables, as you can from three numbers 5, 7, and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So, here, students, variables we don't have to use. We have to use only numbers, and that is 5, 7, and 8, and we have to make expressions with using operations addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So, solution. Some of the expressions formed by 5, 7, and 8 are as follows. 5 multiplied by 8 minus 7. 5 multiplied by 8 plus 7. Then 8 plus 5 multiplied by 7. So, this way we can make expressions. Next, 8 minus 5 multiply by 7. 7 plus 5 multiply by 8. 7 minus 5 multiply by 8. So, we have made different expressions using operations of multiplication, subtractions, and multiplication. Question number 2. Which out of the following are expressions with numbers only? Here, different expressions are given. We have to find which expressions are there with numbers only. A is y plus 3, so this is not there. B, 7 plus 20 minus 8z, so B is also not there. C, 5 bracket 21 minus 7 bracket close plus 7 multiply 2. So this is one expression that is without variables, means that is with numbers only. D, 5. So D is also one expressions with numbers. E, 3x. F, 5 minus 5n. G, 7 multiply 20 minus 5 multiply 10 minus 45 plus P. So which are the two expressions with numbers only? C and D. So solution, C and D are two expressions with numbers only. Question number 3. Identify the operations addition, subtractions, division, multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Now students, let us understand question number 3. We have to identify the different operations, that is addition, subtractions, division, and multiplications. We also have to write that how these expressions have been formed. For example, here different examples are given. Z plus 1, Z minus 1, Y plus 17, Y minus 17. So, how to write additions, formations in the statement form? It is written Z plus 1. That means we will write 1 is added to Z. Z minus 1 is written, then how we will write in expression form? 1 is subtracted from Z. We have to write 1 is subtracted from Z. Y plus 17 is written, again addition is there, then we will write 17 is added to Y. And Y minus 17 is written, then we will write 17 is subtracted from Y. Now this was the expression how to write addition and subtractions. Now let us see about multiplication. In multiplication, if suppose it is given like 17y, then how to write in form of 17y? That means we will write y is multiplied by 17. And if it is written y upon 17, then how to write in division form? Y is divided by 17. So these are the 4 different ways to write the expressions in the statement form. So this way, wherever in this example multiplications, additions, subtractions and divisions are given, we have to write in statement form with the proper additions, subtractions, multiplications, division statement. 17y minus 17. So first of all, let us see how the expression have been formed. Z plus 1. That is 1 is added to Z. and which is equals to which operation? Addition operation. So we will write addition. Z minus 1. 1 is subtracted from Z. So which operation is this? Subtraction operation. So we will write subtraction. Next is y plus 17. 17 is added to y. And which operation? Addition operation. Y minus 17. 17 is subtracted from y. And which operation? Subtraction operation. So we have written subtraction. Question number B. 17y. So 17y is in multiplication form because there is no sign. So 17y is multiplication. So we will write y is multiplied by 17, and that is equals to which operation? Multiplication. Y upon 17. Hence we will write y is divided by 17, and which operation? Division operation. 5z. Again 5z is multiplication because 5 and z is in product rule. So we will write z is multiplied by 5, and which operation? Multiplication operation. Now students, here y upon 17 means it is in division form. So we have to write divided by 17. Question number C. 2y plus 17. 2y plus 17. So here two operations are there. 2y. So which operation is there between 2 and y? Multiplication. And after that it is 2y plus 17, and that is addition. So what we will write? Y is multiplied by 2 and after that 17 is added to the result. 17 is added to the result. So which two relations are there? Multiplications and addition. Hence multiplication and addition operations are there, and addition. Next is 2y minus 17. Now here also two operations are there. 2y means multiplication operation and minus means subtraction operation. So y is multiplied by 2 and 17 is subtracted from the result. Why? Because here subtraction sign is there. 17 is subtracted from result. So again which two operations are there? Multiplication, that is between 2 and y, and which operation? Subtraction. So these are the two operations. 7m equals to m is multiplied by 7. That is equals to multiplication operation. Minus 7m plus 3. M is multiplied by minus 7 and 3 is added to the result. So which operation? Multiplication and addition. Next is minus 7m minus 3. M is multiplied by minus 7 and 3 is subtracted from the result. So which operation is this? Multiplication. One is multiplication operation and subtraction. Question number 4. Give expressions for the following cases. Here expressions we have to give means our question is in statement. we have done in question 3, that if it is like p plus 7, then statement would be like 7 added to p. So we have to write here in expression form of the different four operation statements are given. In cases A, 7 added to p, that is equals to p plus 7. 7 subtracted from p, p minus 7. P is multiplied by 7, that is equals to 7p. P is divided by 7, that is equals to p upon 7. 7 is subtracted from minus m. So minus m minus 7. Minus p multiplied by 5. Hence minus 5p. Minus p divided by 5. Minus p upon 5. P multiplied minus 5. Minus 5p. Question number 5. Give expressions in the following cases. Here in these cases also we have to give expression. First question is 11 added to 2m, that is equals to 2m plus 11. Number B, 11 subtracted from 2m, 2m minus 11. C, 5 times y to which 3 is added. 5 times y means multiplication. So 5y plus 3. Number D, 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. So 5y minus 3. Number E, y is multiplied by minus 8, that is equals to minus 8y. Number F, y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. So minus 8y plus 5. Question number G, y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. So 16 minus 5y. Number H, y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. So minus 5y plus 16. Question number 6a. Form expressions using t and 4. Use not more than one number operations. Every operations must have t in it. So we have to form expressions using t and 4, and it is the conditions that we have to use not more than one number operations. So t plus 4, t minus 4, 4t, t upon 4, 4 upon t, 4 minus t, 4 plus t are the expressions using t and 4. Question number B. From expressions using y, 2 and 7, every operations must have y in it. Use only two number operations. This should be different. So we have to use only two number operations and it should be different. 2y plus 7, 2y minus 7, 7y plus 2, 7y upon 2, 2y upon 7, y upon 7 plus 2, etc. So there are many more numbers of expressions using this.